Hello everyone, welcome to WM Originals. Myself Akhil, back with another video. Microsoft has released second update for the year, namely October 2020 update, and it comes with bunch of new features. And if you want to get your hands on this update right now, in this video I am going to tell you how you can get your hands on Windows 10 20H2 update right now. So let's get started with the video and know the process of getting Windows 10 20H2 update. But before we start, if you are new to WM Originals, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon to get all of my tech videos. Let's move forward to getting Windows 10 20H2 update, which has arguably the fastest installation I have ever seen. I know it's not a big update, but still it downloaded and got installed in just 15 minutes. Let me show you that I am using Windows 10 May 2020 update version 2004 on this, and for that let's open settings and from there go to system and then scroll down to about section. Now scroll down a bit and check out the Windows specifications. Windows 10 Pro version 2004 build 19041. Click on start menu and go to settings. Now let's go to Windows update from settings header. And here you see a banner for feature update to Windows 10 version 20H2 with download and install option. Just click on download and install. Here it starts downloading. It may take some time depending on your network speed. Once it's downloaded, it starts installing process. Now restart required. You can restart now or schedule the restart. We will be restarting now. Clicking on restart now. After laptop restarts, here we have Windows 10 20H2 update installed on this laptop. You can do all this stuff using media creation tool or update assistant as well. I will come up with the tutorials on the same in near future. Now let's see if Windows 10 20H2 update is installed or not. Click on start. Let's go to settings. Now move on to system and from there scroll down to about. Here we have Windows specifications, Windows 10 Pro version 20H2 OS build 19042 installed on this laptop. You can also check if Windows 10 20H2 update is installed or not from about Windows through run command as well. Press Windows plus R and type WinVer and press OK. Here we have about Windows with details of current Windows 10 version and build details. So false, this is what I had in this video. Do share your views, and if you have any suggestion, do share those in comments. If you have not liked this video yet, do like and share it with others. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to WM Originals, subscribe now. I also come up with many tutorials and tips and tricks videos for Windows 10 and other tech videos as well. Thanks for watching. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now.